Hi pretties, welcome back. I hope you're catching on to these Janet Jackson vibes I'm trying to give off from Poetic Justice. Today is actually Halloween. I don't know when this video will be up, but today, the day I'm recording, it's Halloween, and this was one of my costumes. Today I'm just gonna take off my braids, and I figured since I did my braids on camera, maybe I should take them off on camera too. So it's been 2 weeks at this point, and honestly I don't think I took the best care of my braids. That's why they look like this. It didn't hold up as long as it could have. I did wrap my hair every night, but there was times that I took naps and I didn't wrap it, and I don't know, I could have just done better overall keeping up with the braids. I could have done better like maintaining it, but it was my first time and it's okay. I don't think I would have been able to keep it in longer because my scalp is so itchy, and it's weird to me because dry scalp isn't something that I usually deal with. I don't know if it's because of the weather change or what's going on, but I have flakes and I was scratching like crazy, like scratching like this, not like like this. So yeah, I think that also played into why I have so much frizz and like hairs coming out and stuff. And I also added jewels to my hair at one point, and when I took it out, some of my actual hair started coming out, like a little bit. There's a little bit of frizz here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me find a frizzy one. Oh, here's one. And then look at the frizz here, like the hair is coming out already. I hope you can see it, but you might be able to see some flakes. I oiled my scalp last night because I knew, actually not because I knew I was gonna take it, well yeah, because I knew that I was gonna take it out, but also I oiled my scalp like 2 other times before planning on taking it out, just because one, my hair was itchy and I felt like this is the perfect, like I have so much access to my scalp right now, it's the perfect time to add oil in. So I did that, girl, and it actually, I think it actually helped tame the frizz and also the itchiness. So I'm gonna say goodbye to my babies now. I'm just gonna start off by cutting off some of the, cutting off the braid. I don't want to cut too high because I don't know where my hair starts, and I'm just paranoid, so I'm gonna start here. Ah! First piece off. And then I'm just gonna start, because I have long nails, I'm gonna start unraveling. If I didn't have long nails, I would just take the tip of a comb and use that to take it off. Something else about I didn't really anticipate about having the braids is how uncomfortable it was gonna be to sleep with. Like it really took some getting used to, and it felt a little heavy. I suffer from migraines, so the added weight caused me some headaches. My hair still feels very hydrated. So that's good. Feels nice and soft. I ended up using the end of the comb to take out the braid. I also used the comb part of the comb to comb it out. So it was a mixture of my nails, my fingers, my comb, the end of my comb, the extra part of my comb. Whatever got the job done, I used it. This is all the hair that I had in. Okay, pretty, so this is it. All the hair is out, and oh my god, it is such a relief to feel my scalp and my real hair. Like, I am definitely gonna miss it. It's definitely something that I'm gonna do again, for sure. And it didn't even take that long to remove. I started at 12, and it is now 3, but I had to charge my camera, give it some time. So I would say it took me like an hour and 40 minutes to take it out. I also didn't have that many braids. I had like 50 or 40 something, almost 50. The knotless braids did not cause any damage at all to my hair. I love it. It's definitely a protective style that I recommend and that I would do again. It's actually the only protective style that I've tried. The first one that I've tried. The first and only one that I've tried, and I'm definitely gonna do it again. It was definitely worth it. Scalp is definitely dry. I'm gonna add in some oil to my scalp now, and then I'm gonna add some oil to my ends. I'm probably gonna do neem oil, and then I'm gonna leave it in my hair overnight because it's 3:22 a.m. And then tomorrow I'm gonna wash it out and I'll deep condition and I'll show you my final look. I have my oils pre-made. I have jojoba oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, and neem oil. And I've been using it on my edges. Like before I did the braids, I've been using it on my edges and my edges are coming in really nice. So I'll show you how I do it. I have a little dropper here and I just apply it in and then smooth it in, and then once I do it to my entire head, I'll just massage, massage, massage. I go under, like inside my hair, so that I don't end up with crazy knots. And I'll do this for like 5 to 10 minutes. Washy time. When my hair is really dirty, I use Dr. Bronner soap. Half water, half soap, so it's diluted. I love, 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 love this conditioner. Rose water conditioner. It smells amazing and my hair responds beautifully to it. Like it melts when I put this in. I use this to detangle right before my deep conditioner. Final step, I use my Holy Grail. Thank God It's Natural Honey Mask. I leave it in for 30 minutes with a plastic bag. So my hair is ready for styling. Before anything, let me show you there is no damage. At this point, my hair is washed, it's conditioned, it's ready to be styled. I decided I'm not gonna go with my usual styling, which is a wash and go. Instead, I'm going to do rollers. To get, like small rollers, I'm not gonna flat iron or anything. I'm gonna use small rollers to get the same look as I would with flexi rods, which I don't own. Here is my final result. This is how I came out. I absolutely love it. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna show you the steps that I took to do my roller set in my next video. So stay tuned for that. Bye, pretties.